Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you were basically going through the Runna app, going through challenges, marathon, 5k, 10k, all of this. But suddenly, you want the whole challenge, you want to start a whole marathon plan in the Runna app. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through step by step on how to actually start a full marathon plan in Runna and build toward race day. So, let's get started fast and easy as usual. First thing first, we're gonna go open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, open the Runna app. So we're just gonna tap on it, make sure you are fully connected as I told you, so it will open here, go all the way and use your email address and password to access the dashboard. So if you are new, tap on get started. If you have an existing plan, go to the plan tab here, then tap on manage plan, then start a new one. When asked for your goal distance, select marathon for example, then set your preferences. Runna will ask about your running experience, first marathon or experienced, your goal time or just finish, then your weekly training frequency. Your long run day preference also, the plan builds basically mellows gradually, with the load weeks every 3 to 5 weeks to let your body recover. Then you can basically start get moving by tapping on start plan. Your calendar populates with easy runs, long runs, and even speed sessions. Thank you for watching and start building that foundation. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.